Hey, my name is Kevin. I'm a client advisor here at Roadshow BMW. I will be teaching you how to use the My BMW app. You can access the app on iPhone, iPad, and Android. So right now, we're going to go ahead and use the app on the tablet. So in the App Store, you're going to hit open once the app is downloaded. You log in into your vehicle information. So now once your vehicle information is in, your vehicle pops up and it gives you multiple options. So it shows you your fuel level, how many miles you have left until empty. Also gives you different options such as locking your vehicle, unlocking your vehicle, turning on the fog lights, honking the horn, and you can even do remote start from the app. You also have an option for vehicle finder. So if you need to track your vehicle, you'll be able to do that on the My BMW app. Remote camera, so you can access your 3D view. And then you also have remote history, so it shows you when you last used your remote engine start on the vehicle. You also have dealer services. So with your My BMW app, you can access the closest dealer to you if you need to come in for service, roadside assistance, and you can even schedule an appointment on the My BMW app. It also gives you more information about the vehicle, so it shows you your model, your VIN number, how many miles you currently have on your car from your last trip, and it also shows you what devices are connected, so your Wi-Fi, music, and other apps. And at the very bottom, you can also access BMW's roadside assistance. The best thing about the My BMW app is you don't need to use the iPad, you can always access it from your personal phone. While we're on the phone, let me go ahead and show you what other personal services you can have done. So we go into scheduled services. You can choose what options. So if you need to come in for an oil change, oil filter, brake fluid service, you can do that all from the My BMW app. While we're on the My BMW app, if you move over here to your personal icon, you can hit financial services and pay your car note from your My BMW app. Another cool feature about our My BMW app is you can actually access the Explore BMW page where it gives you all the latest articles to BMW. As you can see, the My BMW app packs a powerful punch. There's a lot of information on this app. Once again, my name is Kevin Galeas. Feel free to email me at kgaleas, Galeas, @roadshowbmw.com. Gracias.